friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe. I would love to have you as a YouTube friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So we are going to make some easy, fun Halloween candles. And what we have now, I have got, this is a fake candle from Dollar Tree. And these are pillar candles from Dollar Tree. Now, the thing is, these were $3. I will not light these, if I'm being perfectly honest with you. So this project that we're gonna do, you can light it, yes. But I prefer the fake ones. And these Dollar Tree candles, honestly, most of them are paraffin wax, which I don't like to light. So, you know, maybe outside I'll light them, but inside they'll be for decoration. So, and everybody's different. Some people don't mind, but I always worry about like what comes off of the paraffin wax. It doesn't say paraffin. But these are usually, I mean, they're cheap. They're $3. So I can't imagine that they're not paraffin. And then, so I'm going to take off. And this works great also on these. So this way you can see both. And these come, they light up. These are $1.25. These were $3. If they had this size and these, I would have gotten these instead. All right, so I also have napkins. Now these napkins were $3.98. They came from Buc-ee's, but look how cute they are. You could use any napkins that you want, and these are going to be Halloween. So you know, they're Halloween napkins, but of course you can do whatever. And also you can actually take this off and redo them for a different event if you wanted to. And then I have heat iron. This is my just mini from Cricut. And some scissors because I can't seem to get my napkins opened. And then the other thing that I need is wax paper. And this is just wax paper from Dollar Tree. I was there for the candles. I mean, you could get it just as cheap, I think, other places now, because this is now $1.70. No, I think the foil's $1.75. That's $1.50. All right, so you take your napkin and you're gonna open it up. Camera wasn't on, so I took it off so that we can do it again. All right, so you're going to take your napkin and you're going to cut off what you want. Now these are perfect to show you because your words are going to come out transposed because you don't have a way of mirroring it. So this is better without words, but I love those little bottles, so I just wanted to use them. So I'm not going to put on the words, I'm just going to use the little bottles. Okay, so I got what I want for my candle. This one's not gonna fit. I'm just gonna cut this off. All right, so I'm gonna put my napkin on, and I'm gonna get a piece of wax paper. And now my wax paper is gonna go over my candle. Now, I have to iron on every part that is napkin, even the white stuff, okay? So, and I'm gonna try and make it so that you can see what happens. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna take my iron, and I'm gonna start ironing over it. Do you see the color coming through? And you just want to make sure that you get all of it. Then you're going to take off your plastic. And then, so for me, I like to leave that second layer of napkin on until I'm done and then pull it off. You can pull it off first if you want to. So it has to be waxy. It's the waxy that does it for you. So these fake candles have to be ones that have a waxy coating. Isn't that so cute? All right, so let's now do, so we have this guy. So let's do these.
I don't have the best lineup going on over here, but that's all right. What? He thinks that I'm possibly doing something with food that I'm not sharing with him. You don't have to press hard because it's just really getting the heat. Enough to just melt it just a little bit. So this is also really pretty on taper candles.
Now, because I overlapped it, I won't be able to get the edge and pull that extra backing off of the candle, but it doesn't matter. Isn't this cute? Now I'm gonna do one just in case you're curious. We'll take the backing off. All right, so this is putting it on and then taking the paper off, the back side off. And then this is both pieces of paper, both layers of napkin staying on. And then this is putting it on with just that inner piece of napkin. And I feel like there's not a huge difference, but this is a little, just a hair brighter. It's not a big difference. But anyways, this is a super cute idea. And this is adorable on pillar or like the candlestick candles inside, you know, little candlestick holders, like super cute. So anyways, it's fun. And, you know, a nice way to decorate for Halloween or any occasion. So anyways, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.